So just as Cinebench has finally come to a halt behind me, scoring a magnificent 474 points, I thought this would be worth filming tonight. Cheers, Cat. Because behind me is the Resurrecto Mac that I paid 50 quid for, and it was in a terrible, terrible state. It literally was on its last legs and it was just about to get thrown in the skip. So I cleaned it up. I'd done that 8-minute bake thing on the graphics card, which saved its life. But as you can see, it's just not very happy. The fans are running full and it's just in a very bad way. However, tonight on Facebook, I managed to get a i7 2600S for £30 delivered from Sittingbourne, which is quite handy, and it's kind of sparked this project that's been building and building and building. So we're going to go for the new i7. I'm going to put an SSD in the second hard drive caddy and putting back in the original 500GB hard drive and just seeing if it makes any difference and seeing what happens basically. And yeah, this might be the point where we finally do blow something up, but we'll see. As you can see, it's started up. Still not sure how, and I really feel I'm proper push my luck right out the park with this one, but first time. Got the i7 working and I got the Cinebench results. Took me about 2 hours in total. Yeah, not too bad. So I just wanted to run through it. Paid £50 for the unit. Like I said earlier, pretty much saved it from going in the bin. Fixed the GPU. Had to pay £10 for the thermal paste for the GPU. Another £27 on the SSD hard drive. Got that i7 processor for £30 off some dodgy kid, so if you're missing one, it's in my iMac now. And yeah, I've got a really nice, really fast, really smooth system. And I just wanted to quickly show you this. There it is. There's the score. So we've doubled the score. There's the i7. There's the SSD, and there's the secondary hard drive. That's not bad for a night's work. Can't believe it worked.